Hey guys, Slidebeam. This is the WEMO Smart Plug. So basically like an outlet I can control with my phone. Basically the reason I got this thing is because I was at Lowe's and it was on sale from like $30 some dollars to like $16. So I'm like, can I get this? Another thing I like about this WEMO Smart Plug is the capabilities of the app. Inside of the app, you are able to easily turn on and off the device, set schedules, and do a way mode, which basically it like randomly turns it on and off, not like strobe lighting, but like randomly turns it on and off when you're gone every once in a while. And so that's just pretty cool, and I just like the functionality of it. Like, I can set it on scheduled, so it charges my iPad at night at 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. And it just does cool stuff like that. Otherwise, guys, thank you for watching this very pointless video. And I'm Slidebeam, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.